Hi, okay, guys. Isimo Simanzunzu for Kwezikazi because as I thought things were getting better, they actually have just started being heated up. So, Nkosi decided to go and see Ukubes and explain his side of the story. He went as far as sending the video. And Wamina, I thought Kwezi was being blackmailed, only to find out that no, actually, she was not. So now Kubas had to listen to, watched the video that Unkosi sent, and then he asked, okay, when this thing happened, why did you guys not call the police? Then he says, you know what, you're asking a right question, but to the wrong person. This question, he should be asking it to Ukwezi guys. That is the right person. Now, Kwezi comes home and then Dakaro, who happens to be the nanny, was surprised to see him, and obviously remember she was given instruction not to allow him inside. Now Nkosi says, okay, I need you to take the baby and then go outside, and then Nibonu Tinzo for now. Let me rest and wait for Kwezi to come back so that we can talk right. So now Kwezi comes home and says, what are you doing here? When Dakaro, did I not tell you that don't allow him in? Then she says, he used the spare key. Then he says, okay, Dagalo, can you take the child and go somewhere? And then let me and Kwezi speak. And then Kwezi said, Dagalo, you're not going anywhere. Then Nkosi said, okay, fine. Sizawuthetha again while Dagalo is here. Don't go anywhere. Asithethe. Ukubas immediately when he started saying Kubas, then I think she saw the need to let her go because now and that is not actually what she wants. Now, they had a discussion, more like a violent discussion, because Ukwezi was not even having it. She says, I thought we were family, and then you did not tell me that you were married. Athi Nkosi, I told you ukuthi andichatile mna. And then at the beginning of our relationship, athi usuzenza isibhanqa mna. Ungacabanga ukuthi mina ngiyislimo, ucabanga ukuthi wena awunaqiniso kuwena ufana nolihasa thi usunifanisa nomuntu mna ngizoniphambanisa andifani nomuntu ndaxela abantu nditshatile wena awufunanga uyiva njani njani. And then I'm just sitting there, I'm like, okay, why senzana ilima manje? Why? Because if bowutshilo she would remember. Now then athi ke ndikufuna uphume lapha emzini wami andisafuni nokukubona. And then okay, sharp, now the fight died down, and then as he decided that he was going to pack his bags and leave, comes a picture that shows Ukwezi ahamba pushing something, which now changes everything. Now they have to be Imbumba, and they're being Imbumba while it's late because Ukubas then decided ukuthi yabona ke manje ngiyayihlika le bus. Amnikeza Ukwezi ukuthi, you know what, I won't be able to be your lawyer anymore. She tried calling, she tried sending messages, but there was no response. And Ukubas, hayi otambazvanda uri ene angasichakonozvigenerera because there's just too much lies, and he cannot help someone that has so many stories of the same event in different versions, and each time she plays victim. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Samdima Dekwana. Sanibonani avuxeni malweni minjhani hi pfukile hi ngo n'wina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Skeem Sam hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Khonomliso u fikile lapha a coffee shop yagalihas. Kana, what is the name of that guy that came? Because he looks like someone from the past, a blast from the past. I forgot his name, but he came back, and then Lihasa thought he was going to threaten him, but then he said, no, I'm not here to threaten you. Actually, I'm asking for food and money, or if you can give me a job, I can be able to work. But then now the question is, why is he back and what does he want from Lihasa? It looks like Lihasa is a bit intimidated because after that he called back home ukuthi uzibani sekafikile lana, but no, ungamnikezi imali, ungamnikezi lutho, vele umyeke nje njalo. On the other side of Mr. Peterson or Detective Peterson, ungathi things are looking up, but with Peterson, every time when he thinks he's got umkhonto, every day uyalahleka, and then without a trace, and then we are back to square one. So he gets hold of, he remember a scenario where he was driving, and then there was this person endleleni lo beka ndingarimini batho abo bodobela zwithu nnḓa. and then he almost bumped into him, and then he apologizes and passed. Then he remembered that flashback took him to the picture that he was looking at to say, but that picture looks exactly as the flashback that he had. Then he then concluded ukuthi umzimba kaGumede when that guy, is it Gumede? Yes, uhambe the trash can, not really ngemoto, because he still remember that. And then he got a picture, and then he said, no, this is a good sign. So we are able to go and nail Unkosi and Ukwezi, but I don't think they would. Now he gets information that Ukwezi does not have a lawyer anymore. Ukubas has stepped out. We don't know what are the reasons. That made him very happy and very interested. He said, you know what? It's about time, man. Just saying, le Casey. Like, I've been fighting this fight so long, but the question is, uzokwazi yini ukuyivala? Because I don't foresee you uyivala. I just foresee you running around the truth and running around until something comes up and you are unable to uyivala. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.